guys might be wondering, what is Brave Valkyrie doing here? Well, I'ma show you why the sparking system sucks. Look at this BS, this can happen to ever sparking chip. Also, my brave layer's messed up. Also, I'm using this AI voice because I was sick. This video was recorded after El Draco and Crusading. On to the unboxing, boy.
Brave Valkyrie unboxing.
Y'all should subscribe to me for real,
A new evolution dash. New chip, blah 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 blah. Yeah. I don't know what should I do with my other Valkyrie. Oh no. Let's unbox it. Alright, how you? Jeez, bro. Come on. Yeah, alright. Let's see. Oh, Jesus Christ. No. Come on. What? Alright, there we go. Alright. Review rare chassis? Question mark? Rare chassis? God damn it. Blah blah blah, stickers, blah blah blah. You already know the drill. I got a new Valkyrie. Same one. Alright. We're ready. Open sesame. Come on. Alright, so finding a fresh evolution dash, bro. I needed it. That's how much it used to have. 2-way chassis. Pretty good on temp. I forgot what to say about it. This is awkward. Alright. Pretty good on Tempest. Brave. Finding a fresh layer, bro. Wait, look at this one. Yo, what do you got? But feels so great having a new one. Alright. Feels great having a new one, honestly. Alright, stickers. Alright, we got Brave. Oh, wait, no. Alright. Alright, we got Brave. Pretty new. Oh, burst easy. I don't even launch it, it just burst. Alright, so it was Brave. Unboxing. Don't need test battles because it's pretty old bay. I mean, I already know how it works. But yeah. Alright. See you guys.